Construction sites frequently approximate low or high voltage power lines. Whether roadworks, building construction, or other civil projects, power lines can provide a significant increase to risk for both contractors and the electrical companies. Every year, scores of construction workers lose their lives due to electrocution. One possible reason for this is the reduction of power line clearances by the plant and equipment required on site. Utility companies set minimum clearances and controls that must be maintained and observed. These measures can be enhanced by providing a visual warning on the power lines involved. The Mini ROTAMARKA provides a unique combination of three-dimensional form, contrasting colors, and movement to provide the biggest possible visual impact. The element of movement constantly competes for attention, critical when personnel may be multitasking or face distractions on site. The Mini ROTAMARKA is easily installable by a trained linesman with a hot stick to provide a low-cost mitigation solution for potential construction site power line strikes. Please browse our website, balmoralengineering.com, for datasheets and catalog pages and find your nearest stockist.